Right, well, welcome. I'm going to talk to you about a topic that has been a great interest of mine and many other folks in the aeroastro department and around the country and around the world for many years. And this is the impact of aviation on the environment and what we call sustainable aviation. If you assume that you have a family of 4, take 2 long-distance trips a year, have 1 family car, you find that the amount of carbon emissions associated with air transport is similar to the entire year's household energy use, similar to all of the use of the car. The climate effect can be quite a bit higher. Aviation produces about the same amount of carbon here as the entire UK or Canada, for example. 2 to 3% of carbon emissions are associated with air transportation. However, it's a more complicated story than that. And as you'll see, the impact of aviation is actually dramatically larger than that, and in the future, dramatically larger yet. If you really anticipate a 3-fold increase in global air travel over the next few decades, we're going to have many problems. And one of them is certainly going to be the environmental impact. What we'd like to do is allow a tripling of capacity with an actual reduction in environmental impact. First thing you could do is change the fuel. And there's a lot of interest and experimenting with biofuels and alternative fuels of one sort or other. Another thing that we're interested in particular is flying airplanes in formation. You can take 3 200-foot span airplanes and have roughly the aerodynamic efficiency of a 600-foot span airplane, which you couldn't possibly build. That's one thing that characterized the lower environmental impact airplanes: bigger span.